Hey everybody, this is a guided walkthrough for the Printer Shares Challenge from picoCTF 2026 as part of their General Skills series of challenges. The description says, oops, someone accidentally sent an important file to the network printer. Can you retrieve it from the print server? And it says additional details will be available after launching your challenge instance. So the first thing we want to do is click on the Launch Instance button over here. So after the instance starts, we should get some additional information. It says here that the printer is on this port over here, and you can also try netcat-vz mysteriousc.picoctf.net with this particular port number. So what we're doing over here is we're contacting a server. So the server we need to contact is mysteriousc.picoctf.net, and this is the port number we need to contact. So since we were told that we need to interact with the network printer, let's talk about what's going on here. So this is picoCTF 2026, printer shares. In this challenge, we're asked to check out a file on a printer share. So network accessible printers usually use the SMB protocol, and we can use the SMB client program to enumerate the printer service. So what we'd do is we'd use SMB client -L, and then let me go ahead and get the command, and then we'll discuss what's going on in the command. Okay, so the first command that we're going to be using is called SMB client, and we're going to be using it to enumerate the server's file shares. So we're just going to grab the command and copy it. And actually, to solve this, we can actually use the Cylab web shell. So to access it, we're going to click on Open in Workspace in the challenge over here. And then we're going to right-click on the terminal, and then select this frame, and then select Open Frame in New Tab. Okay, so the the Cylab Security Academy web shell is a Linux environment where we can solve challenges. So we're going to make a directory for this. Let's see, I think this challenge is called Printer Shares. So we're just going to make a directory called Printer Shares, then move into that directory. And let's talk about the command that we're going to be using. So the command that we're going to be using is SMB client, which we're going to be using with the location -L mysteriousc.picoctf.net. We're going to try to log in without providing credentials, so no username password, and we're going to provide a specific port number. So this port number is 51619. So we just need to include it in the command over here. So this is the whole command right here. We're going to copy it, and then we'll give it over on our web shell. So the web shell is over here. We're going to paste in the command, and then we're going to run the command. Oh, sorry. The -L in the SMB client command is the command that lets you list out the file shares. So -L. We see that there are two shares on the disk, and it says shares. So this is a disk type share with the comment public share with guests, and we have an IPC share as well. So what we need to do is we actually need to move into the actual file share. So the actual file share is called shares, and we can give another command with SMB client to access the file share. So the command is this one over here. Where did I put it? Okay. So it's another SMB client command. So SMB client by itself without the L is going to try to access the share. So it's mysteriousc.picoctf.net/shares, also with no login, and then we have to provide the port number. So the port number for this one is 51619. Your port number is probably going to be different. Please use your port number if you're doing this exercise yourself. Copy this, go back to the web shell, paste in the command. So connection refused. Oh, I didn't copy the whole. I didn't copy all of the port number. Let's do that one more time. Okay, and now it says try help to get a list of possible commands. So inside of SMB, so we're inside of the SMB protocol right now. Well, the SMB service right now. So to get a list of all the files inside the share, we would run the dir command. So the dir command is going to list out all the files on the share, and we've seen here there's a flag.txt file. So the goal of this exercise is to get access to the flag.txt file. Let's go ahead and get flag.txt to download it. Okay, and then afterwards we can just exit out of the service. Okay, so now that we've got our flag.txt file, we see that it is in our directory here. The last thing we need to do is we need to read the file, and then we get the flag. So to complete the challenge, we just need to copy the file, go back to the challenge description, and submit the flag. Okay, then click on Submit Flag, and then we're done. All right, everybody, this was a guided walkthrough for the Printer Shares Challenge from picoCTF 2026 as part of their general skills set of challenges. If you enjoyed this guided walkthrough, please click on the like and subscribe buttons on the video and leave a comment underneath the video. But until next time, HackerFrogs out.
Hey there, HackerFrogs! Are you enjoying this workshop? Learning new concepts and skills? If so, there's a way you can support the channel, and it's totally free. Just click on the subscribe button below the video. Also, click on the like button. And if you have questions or comments on this workshop, please leave them below the video. Thanks for listening. And now, back to our scheduled programming.